Hello, it's Paul Jackwitz from ProFootballZone.com with a 2 minute drill. I want to talk about today head coach Jim Harbaugh of the 49ers and this situation with that team right now. Obviously, a report surfaced this past week that they almost traded him to the Browns, and ultimately he decided to stick around in San Francisco. But it doesn't seem like he's going to stay around much longer in San Francisco. It seems like his job, he just may not be there much longer. He wants control over the roster. He wants a new contract. He wants to be paid like a Super Bowl coach, even though he hasn't won one. He's been to one, been in 3 NFC title games, but has not won the big game yet. Personally, I believe he deserves to be paid like a Super Bowl coach. The way he turned that team around. Now, I know the talent was there before he got there. Just really the coaches they had just didn't get the job done. But the guys, the players love him, it seems like, except for Brandon Jacobs, who played with them for 1 year. He's the only guy I can see that can't stand him. But you know, again, most players love him. It seems like, and I don't know. I agree with John Madden. Actually, just came out too and said, "Hey, I would take Harbaugh over Balky." Because there's a report that hey, the 49ers they have no problem letting Harbaugh walk or trading him or whatever, getting rid of him down the road. They don't care. They want Trent Balky. That's their guy, their general manager, because him and Harbaugh don't get along. So they'd be more inclined to stick with Balky instead of Harbaugh. I would say I'd say go with Harbaugh. I kind of agree with Madden. You can always get another GM, one that can fit you, but head coaches, really good ones, are hard to find. You see teams they fire coaches like the Browns after 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, continuously because they're always looking for that new head coach. I'd probably stick with Harbaugh. Now the question is, can they win without him? I don't know. Maybe they have another young coach that they're ready that they're grooming or that they believe can take over. So I wouldn't rule it out that they can win without him. But the magic that Harbaugh has with his team is amazing. They may not be able to replace it. We won't know until it happens. And I wouldn't. I would expect Harbaugh to be out of San Francisco within the next 2 to 3 years, definitely, especially since they're trying to work on a contract and they can't come to an agreement. Even if he does sign a new contract, a college team, another pro team somehow will come calling. And I think, especially if a pro team says, hey, we'll give you complete control of the roster, Harbaugh's not going to stick around. His buddy in Seattle, Pete Carroll, I say buddy kind of sarcastically because they don't typically get along, has complete control over that roster. He wants the same thing wherever he's at. The 49ers are not going to give it to him. He's not going to last there with his ego, with his just the way he runs things. It's just not going to last.